everyone. Respected principal, vice principal, seniors, juniors, and my dear friends. It's me, Angel Tabang from grade 7, and today I'm here standing in front of all you to deliver a short speech on the topic of my aim in life. My aim is to become an engineer. Studying engineer and becoming engineer has been a long life ambition of mine since I was child. I was very fond of visiting engineering, such like that I won the construction of an engineering. Engineering has four types. They are civil engineering, laws of engineering, computer engineering, and architecture of engineering. I would like to prefer to take the part in architecture of engineering. Engineering is one of the few places which is just used in also which is used to make just decent house in just 3 years. Engineering is the most important aim for my life. So in my opinion, engineering is